Evidence suggests this rocky planet is evaporating into a dusty tail. That is a supported inference, not a photograph of a world breaking apart. What telescopes actually record is a shadow that refuses to stay the same. K2-22b circles an MO red dwarf about 795 light-years away. One orbit takes only 9-15 hours. In the original K2 data, some predicted transits almost vanished. Others removed about 1.3% of the star's light. A solid planet cannot expand and contract like that between successive orbits. Dust can. At least one event changed with wavelength. As small grains should, the average transit also carried faint brightening around its edges. Where dust could scatter starlight toward us, models that reproduce those features place much of the plume ahead of the planet, not behind it, like a familiar comet. The orbit lies only about 0.9 astronomical units from the star. A model equilibrium temperature near 100 Kelvin makes rock vapor plausible. But the surface itself has never been resolved. During a quiet, low-dust event, observers found that the hidden body must be smaller than roughly 0.171 Earth radii. Later monitoring found the average shadow growing weaker, while the orbital clock stayed stable. The planet had not simply vanished, its dust activity had changed. JWST then watched four predicted passages. One appeared at high significance, two at low significance, and one was effectively absent. The combined spectrum is consistent with some magnesium-silicate dust, perhaps material from a rocky mantle, but the signal is not strong enough to identify a unique composition. So the physically plausible view is restrained. A small dark world under red-orange light, a narrow incandescent edge, and mineral haze expanding into a ragged leading tail. We see filtered starlight, not the surface. Only after that natural model was archived did the Auralis detect one impossible motion. Across one razor-thin arc ahead of K2-22b, every escaping grain briefly lost its outward velocity. Beyond the arc, the same particles continued as before. Fictional hypothesis. The archive records one hypothesis. An orbit-scale field may be sampling the planet's exposed interior without stopping its erosion. This is an Auralis reading, not astronomy. Perhaps the world is simply leaving itself behind. Or perhaps something is choosing which pieces are allowed to leave. For now, we do not land, we listen. The full transmission is preserved in the Auralis archive.